What's going on? This is Full Throttle Freedom. I'm here with my buddy again on his R1, and we're hitting Highway 40, which is out in the beautiful Alberta Rockies, and this is the first time either of us have ever done the road, so we're gonna give it a shot, see how it goes. And so if you guys like this kind of thing, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get into it. This is really nice. I will definitely be coming back. Let's just say that much. So as I mentioned before, this is both of our first time riding on this road. And so one thing to keep in mind on new and unfamiliar roads is you want to take it at a little bit of a slower pace than what you would normally do on roads that you're used to. I mean, that's just kind of a common sense thing, but it really is to keep you safe, because you just never know. There might be a blind corner or something that comes up, and you want to have that time to react. Whereas on familiar roads, you know what's coming up, and even if you do see something, at least you know where you're going. So definitely don't take new roads too fast. That's just a piece of advice from me. Man, this is gorgeous. Holy. Right. Perks of living in Alberta, hey? Yeah, we just gotta deal with the crappy winters. Right as we get into the twisties. Well, I can lead, not a problem. Yeah, fair enough. Hopefully we pass the bulk of everybody. There's probably going to still be more, but... Oh yeah, look up there. It's crazy. Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah. Yeah. Or the pedaling. I love the pedaling. We gotta do that next time we pass some bicyclists. Did he? Did he? If you live in Alberta and you don't take advantage of this, like, you're missing out, in my opinion. that was my horn. Yeah, that was me. Yeah, I went to go cancel my my turn signal, and it's like right around the same area, and I hit my horn. Yeah.